How to change your payment details on VirtualStaff.ph. If you need to update the bank account where you receive your salary, you can easily do so from your VirtualStaff.ph dashboard. Follow the step-by-step instructions below to change your payment details. When are bank details added? When you first create your VirtualStaff.ph account and complete your profile, you're asked to add your bank or withdrawal details. These are used to process your salary payments if you're hired by an employer on the platform. How to update or change your payment details. Log into your VirtualStaff.ph account. Visit VirtualStaff.ph and log in using your registered email and password. Go to Withdrawal Methods. From your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Click on Withdrawal Methods to view your current payment setup. View existing account details. On this page, you'll see the bank account you initially added when you completed your profile. Delete the old bank account. Click on the three dots next to the account you wish to remove. Select Delete Account to remove the existing bank information. Add your new bank account. After deleting the old account, click Add to enter the new bank details where you would like to receive your salary. Save your changes. Once you've entered your new account information, make sure to save the changes to ensure your salary gets routed correctly. If you encounter any issues while updating your withdrawal method, please contact our support team for assistance. Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines. Hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.